Your D&O insurance is one of the most important protections that you have in managing the risks that come with being a company director. So, what are some of the things you should think about when you're signing off on acquiring that all important cover? The first question to ask is whether or not every single statement in the form that you have filled in to request the insurance is verifiably true and correct. The last thing you want is to go to rely on your insurance and find it's invalid because of a simple mistake or omission. The next thing is to check what level of cover for which events is provided. Now, this might sound simple, but it can sometimes be hard to understand with the way policies and product disclosure statements are written. So it might be a good idea to ask your insurance broker to come and have a conversation with the board and explain it. The insurance broker will be well across this. The next thing to look at is whether or not your insurer allows you to choose whether you plead guilty or whether you defend a case. Obviously, there will be occasions when it is far cheaper for the insurer to accept a guilty verdict, this is called perhaps a consent order, and pay a fine. But that decision can have wide impact on the rest of your board portfolio and indeed on the rest of your life. So you want to be sure that you can take that decision rather than somebody else. The next thing to look at is whether or not the insurance will advance funds so that you can afford to pay for your legal defence, or whether they will only refund them at the conclusion of the process if you have been found innocent. Obviously, it is easy to run out of money as these processes can sometimes take years, and you don't want to be in a situation where you have to abandon your defence because you simply cannot afford to keep defending yourself. So those are 4 simple considerations. I hope they help. Bye for now.